Bro, the rate of return I can get in my qualified plan crushes whole life insurance use for infinite banking. Luckily for you, today I'm going to discuss how we handle the common question of, hey bro, what's the rate of return? So, stay tuned. Here's the short answer, guys and gals. Asking about the rate of return in the context of infinite banking can be helpful or harmful, depending on the perspective of the questioner. Infinite banking is not an investment strategy. It's about how you finance your life with guarantees, liquidity, and uninterrupted growth. While it's important to understand the steady compounding of a whole life policy, focusing on the rate of return can force you to miss the broader benefits of becoming your own banker. I want to take a second and address a couple key points for you guys. First, let's address why this question can actually be helpful. When approached from the right mindset, which is very important, asking about the rate of return highlights some of the unique advantages of whole life. Number one, a foundation of guarantees. Most of us know whole life insurance offers guaranteed growth, which provides peace of mind in an uncertain financial world like we live in today. Unlike speculative investments, your cash value grows steadily every year, no matter what happens in the market. Number two, legacy is the ultimate return. And at its core, life insurance is about creating a tax-free legacy for your loved ones. The death benefit represents immediate and significant return at the time of the insured's passing. This is a foundational feature of whole life insurance, something no other financial tool out there provides. And number three is dividends. In addition to that guaranteed growth, mutual insurance companies have a long, storied history of paying annual dividends to their policyholders. Many of the companies that we work with here at the Cash Compound have been paying dividends for well over a century. If you didn't know, a century is 100 years. I'm talking it was the best of times, it was the worst of times. Economic downturns, world wars, you name it, they paid. Remember, dividends are not guaranteed, but they do reflect the fiscal strength and responsible management of these companies, unlike some of these banks. Dividends also enhance the growth of your policy, which is further building its value over time. Point two I want to make is why this question can be harmful. When the question about rate of return comes from a misunderstanding of what infinite banking is, or an attempt to compare it to investments, it can detract from the true value of the concept. Infinite banking is about banking, not investing. Asking for a line-by-line comparison of whole life insurance returns to those in an investment account misses the point. As R. Nelson Nash emphasized in his book, Becoming Your Own Banker, infinite banking is not about investments or rates of return. It's about how you finance your life, how you recapture interest you'd otherwise pay to banks and or third-party finance companies, and how you control the flow of the money in your life. Short-term thinking stifles long-term success. If someone's looking for a quick cash-on-cash return, they without a doubt will struggle to embrace Nash's philosophy of thinking long range. Whole life insurance is a long-term tool that compounds steadily over time. Premium to cash value growth may seem modest in the early years, but this uninterrupted, constant compounding creates significant wealth over time. By focusing only on what's seen today, one can definitely miss the unseen benefits that emerge over a lifetime of practicing infinite banking. Speaking of that, let's discuss some of the unseen opportunities. Now, I've already mentioned that infinite banking isn't just about what's on a spreadsheet. Here's a couple unseen advantages to consider. Number one, the ability to access capital at any time for emergencies without relying on bank loans or credit cards. Number two, the flexibility to take advantage of investment opportunities if and when they arise. And number three, the freedom from external authorizations, interest payments to third parties, and limitations of traditional banking systems. Think to yourself, what's the rate of return on being prepared for these life events? I'll answer that. It's incalculable and it's invaluable. The third point I want to make is let's just dive in a little bit more into the seen versus the unseen of infinite banking. Each whole life policy comes with a detailed year-by-year tabular illustration that shows the growth of the cash value and the death benefit over time. This transparency allows you to see exactly how your policy will grow. However, what the illustration won't show are the unseen benefits of having capital readily available to use at any moment. At the Cash Compound, we emphasize the importance of these unseen advantages. That's why we provide a custom complimentary consultation to help you understand your policy's full potential, not just what's on the paper. And finally, point number 4, let's talk big picture here. Infinite banking is about control. The infinite banking concept gives you a system for controlling your money and your financial future. Instead of chasing these speculative returns, you're creating a stable, growing foundation for your wealth that you can leverage for endless opportunities instead of letting the banks be the one doing the leveraging. Here's what you gain with infinite banking. Number 1, guaranteed growth. Your cash value grows every year, no matter what. Number 2, liquidity. Access to your money when you need it without penalties, restrictions, or questions. Number 3, uninterrupted compounding. Even when you borrow against your policy's cash value, it still continues to grow as if the loan never happened. Number 4, tax advantages. Cash value grows tax-free and you can access your loans tax-free. Let's not forget legacy. The death benefit creates an immediate return and secures your family's future with a tax-free payout. The question isn't what's the rate of return, it's what's the rate of return on being prepared, seizing opportunities, and controlling the flow of your money in your life. To wrap this all up, while I understand that the rate of return is an important metric for investments, it doesn't fully capture the value of infinite banking. Whole life insurance provides guarantees, growth, liquidity, and flexibility. Benefits that go far beyond a simple percentage return. If you're ready to move beyond that short-term thinking and explore some long-term benefits of infinite banking, our team at the Cash Compound is here to guide you. With that being said, folks, if you're watching this and you're not yet participating in the practice of becoming your own banker, but you want to learn more, head down to the description section of this video and click the link. That'll take you over to our website where you can check out our full save and spend system overview, which will be extremely helpful. After that, go ahead and book yourself a free cash consultation with my team and I. We will sit down, we'll answer all of your questions, and we'll discuss exactly what your goals are and how infinite banking can be the foundation to building your legacy. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more financial insights, and check out some of our other super helpful videos on the channel. As always, the information is free, but the knowledge is priceless. I'm Shawn King, and until next time, keep that cash growing and flowing. Peace, y'all.